I don't know if I can speak for the preparations. I think it's Spanish speakers have been talking about their preparations. It was a very short conversation. Members of the staff went to the executive secretary yesterday. The executive secretary brought them to me. We shared some of our experiences in the past 6 years together. We went to Malacanang to show them physical layout, and then we proceeded to Malacanang Park and showed them by Pangarap and various facilities within Malacanang Park. And that's where we got in touch with President Duterte. We had a conversation, perhaps a short conversation, 1 minute or so. Wherein I congratulated him. I think we asked each other how we were. And I reiterated our offer to the offices that in every money that we did. And what is that? It's a pleasant conversation, as I said. And I understand yung inauguration, we will have a short conversation prior to taking the oath. And I was reserving, I guess he was also reserving all of the points that we would like to raise with each other. Show me pushes it. I mean, parang kung nalasabi nila mag-record yung conversation. Pero yung tuwa naman, hindi naman pinag-iwan. Parang pinasalamatan mo naman natin. Na sabi mo, ano ba itutulong natin sa inyo? Eh ngayon, sa transition, sa pagkatapos, para hindi na kailangan yung parang re-invent gawin yung bago. Ngayon, ayun ko, naalala ko nung ako tumakbo, both times, yung discuss kung doon tayo ni President Duterte, including the presidency. We had one of the first major turnout of people happened in Panama. And I'm sure it was Davao first and Zamboanga, and I think that was the sequence. First, yung crowd in the Manguete that came that a very big part. More than half of this very big part was the first, followed by Zamboanga and Davao. Sorry, I don't recall which came first, but both of them had massive turnout of people. So, when I get to see, you know, and actually I communicated this to Attorney Fidel there. It is our hope that the elections are over. We share one country. We'd like them to be able to build upon all of the things that we have started, we implemented, we have completed. So we move further along the path of advancement for our country and people. And to that, I think every patriot should be looking towards helping the incoming administration address the problems that are still here and the forthcoming problems that undoubtedly will happen in this period of global challenges.